In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import your bookmarks or favorites from Google Chrome or Internet Explorer to Microsoft Edge. Now, as we can see, I have Chrome pulled up right now, and these are the bookmarks that I want to import. So to do that, I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge, and I'm going to hold Control-Shift-B just to pull up my favorites bar and show you guys that I currently don't have any favorites in this browser. But to import my favorites, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on these three dots in the top right corner. Then I'm going to click on Settings, and under Import Favorites and Other Info, I'm going to click on Import from another browser, and it's going to give me the option to import my info from either Internet Explorer or Chrome. In this case, I'm going to select Chrome, and then I'm going to click Import, and it's going to say all done. And as you can see, on my favorites bar, my three bookmarks are now imported. If you have any questions on how to do this, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.